Brunette Wig Place, and today I am bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. Just as a reminder, Wig Studio One has an online Facebook support group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It's a great group. We'd love to have you come over and join. They also have a coupon code where you can receive 30% off most of the brands, and that code is BEAUTIFULYOU. So you just put that in at checkout, and on most of the brands you can save 30%. So today I am so excited to bring you a brand new style for Estetica from their Statements collection for 2019. This is Ellis, and the color on her is R8 26H. So let's get into talking about Ellis. So Ellis is a really cute little blunt cut, as you can see, very blunt, very modern, blunt cut bob with a few little layers in her that just give her a funky, chic, edgy look. I think it's a really, really cute style. I love the way this particular color, R8 26H, plays with the different layers. The blonde that's going through this color is really playing up the cool, edgy cut, and I just love it. I have been waiting for this style to come out, and I'm so excited that it is finally here. So while we're talking about color, let's jump in and we will just look closely at the color, and then in a bit I'll take it outside and we can see it out in natural light. So the color on this one, like I said, is R8 26H. So R8 26H is described as a medium golden brown with medium butterscotch blonde highlights. So really, really pretty. I think that's a great description of the color. You can see those butterscotchy golden blonde highlights popping there in that color. Really, really pretty. And I'm sure it's going to be gorgeous when we step outside. So let me do a turn so you can see it all the way around. Here's my right side. That cool cut. I just love that blunt bob. Okay, so super cute. So she is a lace front with a left side monopart. So let me show you the lace front. I like Estetica's lace fronts. I think they do a really nice job. So there you can see that lace front. Really, really nice. They lighten those hairs going towards the lace, which really gives it a realistic appearance. The knots are not heavy. You know, they're light. They're small and tiny, and they just it just lends itself to looking very realistic. So very, very pretty. And then that monopart, as you can see, you have the appearance of scalp there at the top of the wig. And with those highlights again, it just looks like you're fresh out of the salon with some highlights in your hair. So really, really cute. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside. Look at her cap construction. So there's that monopart that goes all the way back to the crown. Really generous, nice monopart. Temple to temple lace front. You can see that lace up close. It's really nicely done, like I said. Really, really looks nice. Then she's got some closed lace on the top. Not really very much permatease. There's a tiny tease that's right at the wefting, but none of those little permatease fibers that are going to be sticking through or anything. She's got just a soft material here on the ear tabs, good piece of metal in there, nice metal stay. She has the hook closures, which are great. They stay in place really nicely. And then she has an extended nape, open wefting all through the cap. So really, really nice cap construction. I like Estetica wigs. I have a 21-inch circumference, and this wig fits me really well. But I do feel like there's stretch in it, you know. I mean, I can get some stretch back here, and so there's some stretch in it to, you know, accommodate larger head sizes. So I think they do really, really well with their cap being soft and stretchy and comfortable and able to accommodate a lot of different circumferences, which is great. So let's look at those ear tabs now that it's back on my head. Really, really nice. Like I said, that metal is that big. Bend it once, it's going to stay in place. good coverage there if you have hair. Now you're seeing my wig cap peek through a little bit there, but that's all that is. So not part of the wig. So there's that other ear tab. Really, really nice. I think it's really, really cute wig. Now the style is kind of what you want to do with it. So as you can see, you could easily cut a bang if you wanted bangs all the way across your forehead. The layers, I'll give you the measurements here. The layers are in the front are a little bit long. So this bang here in the front is 6.5, and then they give a 6.5 here for the side. So you see you have the bang, and then you kind of go back into that layer, sort of goes back into the cut. So you continue to have that 6.5 inch side. And then the crown down is 10 inches, and excuse me, my necklace is stuck. And then the nape back here is 3.5 inches. And the overall weight of the piece is 3.81 ounces, which is really, really light and really, really comfortable. So cute, funky style. I just think she's super cool to just kind of give her some zhuzhing, mess her up a little, and then just go, you know, shake her a little and go. I mean, she could be, you know, pulled back and styled like that. You could pull her back with a clip. She looks cute like that. In fact, I was wearing her like this the other day. Grab a clip here. Clip her back, and then these cool layers want to kind of fall down, and she gets a little bump back there. It looks pretty cool. So super cute. I like the way there's just like hair falling down and hair pulled back, and looks very natural actually. I love that it's so stick straight. I mean, it's just what you're trying to achieve with a flat iron, you know, and have it stay flat. And this is synthetic hair, so guess what? It's gonna stay flat, which is super awesome. So really, really cute. She's not one that has length, you know, for a ponytail, I don't think. I mean, no, not really a ponytail wig, but she is good for tucking behind the ears. So I like that. I like to be able to give a wig an ear tuck, and these fibers are super light, you know, easy to work with, just feathery light little fibers. I really like them, really nice. So real cute for just tucking behind the ear and giving it just a little bbit different look. So let's take her outside and we will look at her color outside in the natural light. Okay, so here we are outside with this R8 26H. So I'm under my patio cover. It's kind of cloudy, but there's plenty of light. So you can really see those butterscotch highlights outside. Really, really, really pretty. And then that pretty 8, that golden 8 brown. So let me step out here where there's more light. So we have a little bit of sun peeking through, but you can see those highlights. So just a really, really pretty color, R8 26H. Okay, so as you can see, this R8 26H is just a gorgeous color out there in the sun, a beautiful brunette with those butterscotch highlights, just really, really pretty with those highlights popping out there in the sun. So again, this is Ellis from Estetica from their new 2019 Statements collection. I think she's gonna be super popular. She's really comfortable, she's cool, she's edgy. So go out there and check her out. Order her from Wig Studio One. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.